Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco X7. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. It's a bit hidden because you have to remove this yellow box here completely, and then at the other side you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. On the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and a second one optional below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to SIM 1, of course. Press it well, that's where I insert it. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here. The SIM card belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now as well a second SIM card on the other side here. Same thing. Press it now from both sides, that both SIM cards are well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's as well a missing corner on the SIM card, and it belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, of course. And the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay. And if you're ready with, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, you insert now the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.